In our last lecture, we covered problem number 14, the teaming partner finder, how Sambid finds you real companies to team up with, and now actually sends the request for you, one click straight to their inbox. You can check that one out in the playlist, Win U.S. Federal Contracts, SAM.gov. Now let's move to problem number 15, and how we solve it. This one is a silent killer. It doesn't fail loudly, it fails quietly, over years. You run a lemonade stand on a busy street. What you don't know, the city is building a new park 2 blocks away, and foot traffic is quietly shifting there instead. Nobody sends you a letter about it. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. It looks at years of real federal spending in your exact market and tells you plainly which agencies are spending more right now, which parts of your market have a lot of money and not a lot of competition yet, and which contracts are coming up for recompete soon. The oldest rule in business, go where the money is going, not where it was. And I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Okay, I just showed you the lemonade stand problem. Foot traffic quietly shifting somewhere else, and nobody telling you. Now let's actually look at how Sambid keeps you from missing that. Let's slow down here and go through this one piece at a time. Step 1. This page is called AI Market Research Report. In your dashboard sidebar, it's listed as Market Intelligence. Right at the top, in one line, it tells you exactly what it is. An AI-generated intelligence report tailored specifically to your NAICS codes. Step 2. Before you even generate it, you see 4 preview tiles: agency spend analysis, competitive landscape, market trends, and action items. One click, and it tells you plainly, analyzing federal spend data and market trends for your NAICS codes. This takes 20 to 40 seconds. Step 3. Let's actually run this for a real account. A brand new company, 0 federal awards yet, and here's what came back, one section at a time. Step 4. It opens with an executive summary, one honest paragraph. This company is a new entrant, no reported federal award history yet. The opportunity: strong government demand in software development, IT infrastructure, and management consulting. And the top action, right there in the first paragraph: position for small business set-asides and start building past performance through low-barrier agency work. Step 5. Then market opportunity analysis, broken down by each of the company's real NAICS codes, one at a time. Custom computer programming, over $10 billion in federal spending last year alone, with the Department of Defense, the VA, HHS, and DHS as the top buyers. Computer facilities management, about $2 billion a year. Other computer-related services, around $8 billion a year, and growing as agencies modernize cloud and cybersecurity. And administrative and management consulting, over $13 billion a year. Step 6. Then it names the real contract vehicles you could actually get onto. The GSA Multiple Award Schedule, Alliant 2 Small Business, 8A Stars 3, CIO SP3, and SEWP 5, Oasis Small Business Pool 1, real named paths in, not vague advice. Step 7. Then set aside availability, and this is the part that really matters if you're new. For these same NAICS codes, 35 to 55% of all awards go through small business set-asides. 37% small business on one code alone, 8% 8A, 6% WOSB, 5% SDVOSB. In plain terms, if you get certified, more than a third of this entire market becomes reachable to you specifically. Step 8. Then competitive landscape. Who's actually winning right now, by name? Small businesses with real certifications dominate the set-aside side. On the open side, familiar names: Booz Allen, Deloitte, SAIC, CACI, and it's honest about where a brand new company stands today. No ranking yet, no market share yet, not represented in the award data yet. It doesn't sugarcoat that, it just tells you plainly and then shows you the door in. Step 9. Then upcoming opportunity types to watch in the next 90 days specifically. Agency IT staff augmentation contracts about to recompete at DHS, DoD, and the VA. application modernization task orders on GSA's IT schedule, a new on-ramp period opening for CIOSP4, an open season for Oasis Plus, real dated windows, not someday. Step 10. Then, hot topics and trends shaping the whole market right now. The Zero Trust cybersecurity mandate, the push for digital modernization, and agencies raising their small business participation targets, which directly favors newer, smaller companies. Step 11. And then it gets tactical. Recommended BD actions this week. A real short list. Get certified. Register on the GSA and NITAC vendor portals. Build a federal capability statement. Go find prime contractors in your NAICS and approach them for subcontracting work. Step 12. And finally, agency focus recommendations. It names the top 3 agencies to go after first, the VA, HHS, and DHS, and explains exactly why each one. Then which agencies to approach next. Nothing vague. Real names, real reasons. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the AI Market Research Report page right inside your dashboard, under Market Intelligence. Everything I just walked you through, the spend analysis, the competitive landscape, the 90-day watch list, the action items, it's all right here on this one page. Now, before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me, do you actually know if your market is growing or shrinking right now, or are you just guessing? I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.